Hello everyone. Today talk about active and passive voice, and if you can just look at this chart that is showing the passive voice forms of the verbs and together with the examples. So we are going to have a look at the verbs which are going to be used in active and passive voices together. So it becomes easy for us to change an active voice into passive voice and a passive voice into the active one. Starting from simple present, as you all know, the helping verb of simple present tense are do and does, but in the passive voices they become is mr, and any helping verb in passive voice is to be mandatorily followed by a past participle. A past participle is the third form of the verb. So we just take a look at the example given. Good manners are admired by everyone. Good manners are admired by everyone. So this is the passive voice of simple present, and we want to change it again into an active voice. Everyone admires. Everyone admires good manners. Simple past. The helping verb in active voice is did, but in passive voice was, were, along with the third form of the verb, that is the past participle. Example is the thief was arrested by the police. The thief was arrested by the police. The thief here becomes the subject of the passive voice. Was the helping verb in the passive voice. Arrested the past participle form of the main verb arrest, and by the police, by the agent. Coming to present continuous. Present continuous is mr, as you all know, but in passive voice we have to remember that these continuous form of the verb is mr, helping verb, they are always to be followed by being and the past participle form of the verb. Example, the thief is being chased by the police. The thief is being chased, not is chased or not is chasing in passive voice. It is to be written as the thief is being chased by the police. Or again we change it into an active voice, the police is chasing the thief. Now past continuous, helping verb of active voice was and were. In passive voice was, were to be followed by being and then the past participle form of the verb. For example, roads were being repaired by the laborers. Roads were being repaired. In earlier example, being chased. Here were being repaired by the laborers. The laborers were repairing the roads. Talk about present perfect, has and have, but here we have to remember that has, have to be followed by been in passive voices. Example is my pocket has been picked. My pocket has been picked. It means someone has picked my pocket. And in the same manner, past perfect, here the helping verb is had of active voice, but this had again is to be followed by been and past participle form the verb. Example, the tiger had been hunted. The tiger had been hunted. The tiger, that was the object in active voice, has been just in the place of the subject, then the helping verb had to be followed by been and then the third form of the verb hunted. By, because here the subject is not so important, that's why it has been omitted, but you can just add the subject someone if you want to convert it again into an active voice. For example, someone had hunted the tiger. Someone had hunted the tiger. And the next is simple future. Simple future means when we use the helping verb will and shall, and you have to remember the shall will has to be followed again by be and the past participle form of the verb. For example, the work will be finished by tomorrow. The work will be finished by tomorrow. It means the work will be finished, not will finished. It is will be finished. The third form of the verb finish is finished. Will is to be followed by be, and it is the passive voice. About the models, we have to remember that modal verbs are always to be followed by be and then the past participle. It means we are going to use the structure and the formation of simple future in all the sentences which are having a modal verb. For example, nothing can be done. Nothing can be done. It means someone or no one can do anything. No one can do anything. In the same manner, you might be allowed to go. Duty must be done. So we must do our duty. One must do one's duty. So these are the basic talks about the conversion of active and passive voices. Thank you.